look at me. Hopefully you can see me. Yes, you can. Anyways, I'm just putting it in the okay, you know what? You're not gonna see my mouth talk. Okay, anyways, I got a new family member, and he's 4 years old. We call him Hunter. Hunter! Hunter's coming. Hey, Hunter! Hunter! Look at him. It's Hey, Hunter. Come on.
Yeah.
Didn't even see you yet. Look at him. It's Hunter. Hunter, say hi to our viewers if you're even watching, because I have 0 subscribers on my new channel. It's new. My old channel has 5. But that's Hunter. Hey. Hunter wants to move. Hunter's being paid. Woo! Hunter. He's very soft. He loves being petted here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Right there. He loves that. Okay, look. Watch this. Wait. Everybody, stay away from the dog. Sit, Hunter. Sit. I see. Sit. Sit. Go. And have that paw.
Hunter.
Okay, Hunter. Hey, Hunter.
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Sit. Hunter, sit.
No, right here.
There we go.
See, he sits down. Just like a good boy. He sits down. Okay. Step up, step. Okay. Dumalapat. Just dumalapat. Dumalapat.
Oh. Lotpat.
Lotpat.
Good boy.
Good little boy.
Good boy. This
kind.
Good boy.
That's it for this video. Our new dog is ready to meet our viewers, which I don't have, but we will have some on our new channel, Cool Kid 22. See ya later. How do I stop the video? I have no clue. I think I will.